Hello, what's up guys, welcome to my new brand video. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Wi-Fi denied access problem in Android or iPhone. If you want to connect any Wi-Fi but you have getting this pop-up Wi-Fi denied access problem, so how can fix this error? So watch this video. Let's get started this video. Firstly, go back home screen. Also go back home screen and enter into the mobile settings. After then enter into the mobile settings and they click on Wi-Fi and enable the Wi-Fi. Enable the Wi-Fi and enter into the advanced settings and click on save networks. Click on save networks here, see right up corner add, so just enter into the ads, click on add and remove the all save networks and back and firstly first of all and your Wi-Fi turn off and turn off and turn on and go back and search settings. So type on settings search bar and search it reset and click on reset system settings and first of all reset your system settings and go back and restart your device. After then restart your device and your problem 100% solved. If my video was helpful, so like, share and subscribe my channel.